1 mole of monoatomic gas undergo a process B equal to A T to power of B. A and B are constants. Find molar heat capacity of the given gas. Look at now, the volume is proportional to temperature like this. So he's asking now, okay, get an expression for the molar heat capacity. See, in any process, C equal to Q delta T. There's a generalized formula, do remember, N delta T or dQ by N dt. It all depends upon the situations. Okay, there's the first problem. So try once, then I'll come into the picture. Huh? Okay, again, where do we'll start? First work done we'll calculate, it'll be easier. So usually what is the parameter? The temperature of gas will be varying it by an amount delta T or T1 to T2. So work done equal to integral of P dV. P what you can write it as R T by V. Okay, I should replace V and dV. So V I know A T to power of B are there. What to do with the dV? So we know A T to power of, I'll differentiate A B T to power of B minus 1 dt. So let me replace dV as this particular value. And V value will not say the above equation RT. So what is V equal to? A T to power of B. In place of dV, AB T B minus 1 dt. Let the temperature change from 0 to delta T. So usually the temperature of gas is what will be varying it. So the next step will be W is equal to, so A get cancels. So shall we write here, this is T integral of R T1 minus B T to power of B minus 1 dt. I'll read it, you'll get confused. So where all needed, I'll write down the equation. So these two will cancel out. So we'll be left over with RB outside integral of dt. So therefore work done by gas is how much? RB delta T. Let's directly go for the molar capacity formula. C equal to Q N delta T. Let me assume N equal to 1. Q equal to delta U plus W by delta. N equal to 1 I substituted. So delta U by delta T, W by delta T. Delta U by delta T should be CV. What is the value of W? RB delta T by delta T. Solving this, it all depends upon the value of B. So let me go for it. Monoatomic gas. For monoatomic gas, let me do it. Already monoatomic gas he has given, no? 3R by 2 plus RB. Okay, you see now. If B equal to 1, what process it will be? So let me write it here. Value of B. B equal to 1. So what is the process it will undergo? Anybody? Can you say what is the process?
Isobaric.
Isobaric process. Okay, fine. So let it be equal to -1. What is the molar capacity? Will be Cp, no, it is, or which is equal to how much? Phi r by 2. Monatomic gas, what is value of Cp? Phi r by 2. If it is -1, B equal to -1. Okay, let me put B equal to -1. How much it will become? R by 2. So can you say anything about the process?
No, sir.
Is it some general thermodynamic process, right? GTP. B equal to 2, let me write it. If I write B equal to 2, it will be general thermodynamic process. Then B equal to 2, it will be 2 to the 4, 4, 7 R by 2. So what engineer will do is, he will design a machine which will control the value of B. That's all. A cylinder will be there. I'll fill up a gas. There will be a piston. I can supply it or I can extract it. Then there'll be one machine will be there which will control the value of B. By using that machine, what happen? I can make the gas to undergo any of the process. See, with every passing year, we are getting very highly performing vehicles and the refrigerators and the engines. No, any reason for that? The reason for is the because of this thinking. How nicely you design, how nicely you can control the value of B. What happen? You can make the gas to undergo such a process here. So what is a gas for an engineer? No, gas is some sort of like a magical thing it is. So using gas, what happen? He can perform most of the operations what he needed. You look at the vehicles, no, especially four-wheeler, two-wheeler, or the engines. If you see, no, with every passing year, we are getting best performing vehicles, or you can say the cranes. No, you can see that how it is possible because of this gas only. Getting the idea? So what engineer will do? He will design a machine which will control the value of B, and he can make the gas to undergo any process. He can now perform most of the operations with the help of gas. Okay, gas will choose what process will undergo, or an engineer will choose what process it should undergo. Please, anybody wants to answer? If you say no, sir, gas will choose what process it will undergo means okay, we'll stop thermodynamics. Oh, let's not discuss. It will become stupidity here. What is the gas? Gas is having any intellectual power that it will decide today more. Okay, today Wednesday 8 o'clock, I'll undergo isothermal. Okay, tomorrow Thursday I'll undergo adiabatic. Is it like that? Gas is some sort of a non-living substance. No, how do it can decide what process it will undergo? So who will decide what process it must undergo? The engineer. That's all. There's the idea of this thermodynamics here. Okay, fine. So the value of B can be anything. Okay, now I will do one thing. Let me take B equal to -3 by 2. Very interesting thing you are going to see now. Yeah. What will happen? See. Anybody? B equal
Radial
to,
matter.
so C0. C0 means it will become
Radial
adiabatic.
matter.
Are you getting now? Just by varying B what pen I can make the gas to undergo any process. I need not to do anything. Getting some picture? Okay, now let's take the next one. I think the same thing. Okay, I'm good. Change little bit of equation. You have to find out the molar heat capacity.